Okay, so I'm here with Jim. And Jim, can you tell us what it was that brought you here to our clinic?
Well, I was changing doctors and I needed someone who understood my background after having had a heart attack and a stroke a few years back and some residual effects and other minor aches and pains. And Dr. Vance has helped me with all of that.
So, what kind of symptoms were you having before you came in to see us?
I had a sore knee
Hmm.
that Dr. Vance was able to do his magic on.
So you had the knee, and what else?
Yeah. And I was getting cold
Okay,
and having trouble sleeping.
okay,
Not very energetic about doing my exercise routine either,
right.
and that's all changed.
And let me see. So, what kind of treatments had you done for all this stuff before?
Oh, put on a sweater.
Yeah.
Just common sense things at that point that someone without any training would do.
Now, for your knee, how do we treat that?
I'm not even sure what you call that. It's some kind of touching my knee with in a special way,
You're right.
um, to relieve the pain that was there.
How many times do we need to do that?
Just once.
And
Yeah,
how's your knee been since that time?
it's been great. No problems. I've been exercising and
You're telling me you're
just
starting to use weights and stuff on that.
yeah, I've added some weight training to my routine.
That's stunning.
Resistance, that's the word I was looking for.
Right.
And yeah, doing like deep knee bends, leg raises, and working out on a scooter. It's
Now,
really fun.
you said you were feeling cold as well. How do
I
we
had
treat that?
I'm sorry, what was the question?
How do we treat the cold?
Thyroid medication.
And what difference does that make for you?
Um, my body temperature came back up, or at least the way I felt came back up.
You're feeling a lot better.
Oh yeah, very much.
And we treated some vitamin deficiencies and some other stuff as well.
Right.
And that made a big
Yeah,
difference.
vitamin D and some magnesium, and those things have really made a difference in my clarity of thought as well.
Let me ask you this. We were just talking today, you had a little bit of some numbness.
Right. So one of the residual effects, in fact, the only residual effect I've had from my stroke was a little bit of numbness right here on the left side of my mouth and cheek that I've always just gotten used to over the years. But Dr. Vance was able to do that same kind of touching technique he did on my knee.
Yeah, exactly.
Not he didn't use my knee, but the same kind of technique
On the face, right.
on my face here, and it's pretty cool. It's gone.
It's gone.
Yeah.
So your numbness is gone. For 7 years you had this.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Let me ask you this. What kind of difference, when we add all everything up that we've treated you with, what kind of difference does that make in your life?
Oh, it's huge because I have more confidence, not just in my own health, but in the treatment that I'm getting.
What I thought was stunning was you walked in here today with zero complaints.
Pretty much.
I had to tease this numbness out of you because you're like, I got nothing.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Well, that just became a normal routine for me, so it wasn't anything I was even thinking about.
Exactly, of course. So is there anything you want to share with somebody who might be watching this?
Well, if you're thinking about coming to see the doctor, you really need to. He's willing to explore whatever it is that's bothering you and troubling you, and work with you and get it better.
Thank you so much, Jim. Do you mind if
Oh,
we put this on Facebook, YouTube, website, advertising
I
purposes?
would think that'd be great.
Thank you
Please
so
do.
much.